We love making pom-poms to hang onto our handbags, hats, and keychains. So we got this 4-pack which comes with 4 different sizes of pom-pom makers. The smallest one is the blue one. We also have a yellow one, a peach colored one, and the largest one is the green one. Let's go ahead and make a pom-pom. We're going to use the blue one, and you can see there are 2 sets of plastic arms that you can extend on either ends. To start, we're going to keep one set of the arms closed and open the other set. Then we take the end of our yarn and start winding it. The puffier you want your pom-pom, the more times you'll want to wind the yarn. When you have enough yarn wound, you'll want to close the set of arms and then bring the yarn over to the second set of plastic arms and repeat the winding process. When you are done winding, snip off the end of the yarn from the pom-pom maker, and then use a pair of scissors to snip down the center of the yarn from each set of arms. The smaller and pointier your scissors are, the easier it will be to snip the yarn. Then take a 6-inch piece of yarn and slip it through the gap and tie a knot. Pull the knot tightly and then repeat with a second knot. Now you can open the arms and separate the pom-pom maker to extract the pom-pom. You can trim the pom-pom if necessary.